I need to cut the side of it.
Oh no. This little part here. There we go. Hey!
Hot dog. Yeah. Hot dog. Hot dog, tell me why. Hot dog. Hot dog.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Nothing. So Mia's been asking for the last few weeks if we could have some girl time. And where did you choose to go for our girl time?
The mall.
The mall. What do you like about the mall?
But there's movies and the accessory store.
The accessory store. Mia, did you realize we have matching boots and jeans on today? Ooh, stylish.
A hot dog and a burger.
And a hot dog and a burger.
And little french fries.
And little french fries. Work it. Do another pose. What'd you get, Mia? A smoothie, strawberry smoothie.
Alright, going to the sledding hill. We're walking. Because Mama has keys to both cars. We'll probably make it there. Not sure if we'll make it back. Hey, buddy? Yeah. Alright, we're not taking the heavy sled. Whoa. That's fast.
He was half laughing, half crying.
Did you have a good girl time, Mimi? I love you.
Love you.
You're cold.
Hi.
Mama, what did you get?
No! Whoa. Didn't burn yourself? Whoa. What are we making?
Elephant toothpaste.
What? Yeah. What do you think about elephant toothpaste?
Cool.
Joel, what do you think about elephant toothpaste?
Cool.
Cool. Oh, is that this is for a girl elephant?
Yeah, because it's gonna turn pink.
Hmm.
It's gonna turn yellow too. Pink and yellow.
Matrix really well next time.
So we have to pour it in here. So we have to put it on the water.
All right.
Okay, and in. And watch the explosion. Wow, that was nice. Pink.
Oh.
Look at it. Oh, it's really big. Oh, it's really big and big. It's nice. I want to watch the big
Oh, and I didn't be able to see the jar because it's not very much.
Like strawberry.
What we got?
I know.
I know.
How many weeks has it been? Well, since Christmas. Like. What?
Oh, you were right.
Oh, that's the back. Let me see the front.
Here's the front. That is white. And it's gold.
Oh, very
Is this thing
spectacular.
on it, Daddy? You need this?
Step 1 complete. Dishwasher removed.
Oh.
And new dishwasher here. And the most importantly, we are doing some winter grilling outside. Oh yeah. Woo! Yum.
We're going on a date.
Date night.
These are our tickets.
Me and Ben Joel ticket.
Let's go, honey.
Come down.
This is not the first time we've gotten
Here,
invited to a
stop.
show
Stop,
in the
wait.
basement.
Come down here. Stop.
Here's
Oh,
my
it's
ticket.
dark.
Hi.
Hi.
This is our show tonight.
Yeah.
And Joel and Mia and me are going to be performing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we all hope you have a nice time. Goodbye.
Whoa!
What do you give that, judges? All right, wait.
15 out of 10.
All right, so far it's not good.
No, stop. Stop. It's great. It
No, new
doesn't,
dishwasher is in.
it doesn't fit this pan.
It doesn't fit one pan, apparently. But we should have brought the pan to the store to check it,
Yeah, apparently.
apparently.
Yeah.
But it's looking good. It powered up. That's the first thing. First test. We'll see if it leaks in a bit. Water's on, but we'll see when it drains. Excited?
Yes.
It's running. Hear the quietness of it. Looks pretty. Looks pretty stellar. Rue, did you get lost in the backyard? Ruby, you get lost in the backyard? Whoa.
Double hockey sticks. I didn't swear, Avia. Are you doing?
Mark, get set, and go. Just one of those hips.
My thumb. Oh, I was recently doing this in the Royal Blue Waters in Hawaii.
Lower the hips. Lift your legs, find a V. Shoulders are back. Good. And again, up. So,
Opposite
shoulders
side.
down. Do what you can. Good. Back up.
This is yoga-ish today.
You are sick.
Oh, day 16 done.
Do it 2 or 3 times. Yeah, you see it videos of the
Boom.